How to activate Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is head over to Fantasy at the bottom and then move into Transfer. Once you click on Transfers, you will be able to see different options like free transfers, wildcard, cost, and bank. In order to activate, all you want to do is tap on wildcard if it is available to you. And what this means is there is an option to change the player from the selection list, and then you have to keep in mind to note your amount in your bank and your points cost as well, because using a wildcard option may cause you a certain amount of points and money. Once you have done that, now all you gotta do is just select a player that you want to replace and then you'll be good to go. Also, you should know that you can use your wildcard once in the first half of the season and then once in the second half. You cannot use both wildcard in the same half of the season. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can activate wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.